Mrs. Canian Talanya Magnay Gemetisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Canian Talanya Magnay kasi the first. My camera video at the moment is that about teeth cleansing. I have a boyfriend, husband, lover, high school seatmate, classmate of myself, Alex and Gemetisa Jr., also named as Manuel Quezon the first, of which is when it comes to teeth cleansing, the voice on my ear does not want me to be attached to Alex and Gemetisa Jr. when it comes to money and then when it is about moment teeth cleansing. You know what it means? Strategy of the person putting me on not humanity, not person treatment. I have a lover, 6 feet and 6 inch tall high. Weird, isn't it? That is normal in relationship. But I feel shyness when it comes to my teeth. But when it comes to Alex and Gemetisa Jr., also named as Manuel Quezon the first, I am not shy. That is what that is what my camera video at the moment. What is other inside of myself? The person on my right eye does not want to feel of myself my own feeling when it comes on to love. So that is my content. That is about my camera video. So it is 2 minutes and 20 seconds.